Alright guys, so I just received this package today in the mail on eBay. It took about maybe a week to come in, a lot faster than I thought. These are the cheapest eBay side skirts you can buy. They were 48 bucks, something like that. Somewhere around there, maybe give it take a dollar or two. Comes with 4 of these. Obviously, I'm guessing these are to put here. Hold them together as best as I can get. It comes with these 8 screws here. You're putting them in these little slots here. They're already pre-threaded. The finish on this, it's not horrible for 40 bucks. I mean, oh, that's hair, never mind. But you can see, I mean, it's not going to be the prettiest thing, to be honest with you. I figure as many curbs as I hit, I'm probably going to scratch them up. So I didn't want to spend $200 on some quality ones anyway. So, but yeah, for the price, the finish is not horrible. It's not the best, but I mean, what do you expect for 40 bucks? So let's put them on the car. Let's see what it looks like. So I think the first thing I'm going to do before I take them outside, I'm going to put these screws in all these holes, connect them and make one big piece. So here, you guys can go ahead and watch me on my tripod. So the first thing I'm going to do is throw the car up on some ramps. Then we're going to jack up the back of it. Alright, as you know, if you do own an E90 or an E92, or E93, or E91 actually, you're going to have these 2 places you can put your jacks on. So I'm just going to kind of make a rough place that I know where to cut them with my razor here. I don't care if it's exact or not. It's a good thing about spending 40 bucks. You don't care if you hack it up. Alright guys, so we run into our first issue here. This is where we're going to need to cut it out on the front of the car. Obviously this is right where it, right where you connect it to. The other one's fine here in the back, so let me get my tool. I think we'll be able to jack it up. I'm just going to put a bunch of self-tapping screws here. I don't even think I'm going to use these. I might, but I have so many of these metal self-tapping screws. It could be a lot thicker and better. So, yeah, let's get to it. All right, so let's cut this guy up. I actually have one of these little oscillating tools. I've had it for a while. Probably the most convenient tool of your life. If you don't have one, get one. Alright guys, let's see if our little hack job here fits okay. Line it up here with the back. Yeah, that works for me. Wow, we just barely made it. So, let's get the screwing. That'll do it. So I guess probably the most important piece is to put this thing on, which I completely forgot about. So let's install these and give you guys a look at what it looks like. Before I show you guys the finished product here, be sure to subscribe. I bought the cheapest front lip on Amazon here. I think it was 41 bucks, so I'm going to throw it on this car and see how it looks. But in terms of the reveal here, the side skirt, to be honest with you, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks fairly clean. It makes the car look a little more sharp, a little more sporty. And like I said, it was 46 bucks. So even if you hate the actual finish on it, you can always paint it. But I mean, it really doesn't look bad, to be honest with you. Looks fine. Once you get up there with a magnifying glass, you're not going to know anything. But yeah, I think it looks good here. Car's coming together really well. I painted the roof. I painted the side mirrors. I painted the wheels, all with trim and bumper paint. Obviously, I use high gloss over there. All shake and spray cans here. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I actually have videos on how to spray paint stuff and actually make it come out looking professional. So be sure to stay tuned. Also, the front grille here, just spray paint. Everything looks, it looks clean. It looks nice. It doesn't look like crap. So I have a lot of DIY videos coming out here soon. I have one on how to install lights, how to install switch. I've done construction for many, many years. Also worked on a lot of cars over the years, so I have a lot of really good, high-quality DIY videos coming out soon. So be sure to subscribe and leave this video a like if you liked it. Thanks.